Team Fullest, this is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to of my canal. So in today's video, I'm here to do another weight gain smoothie for you guys. I get the question a lot, like how many times do you take this weight gain smoothie? I take it twice a day. I take it in the morning, after breakfast. Now I really try to have breakfast in the morning. I really force myself to have breakfast in the morning. So I take the smoothie in the morning. I make it in the morning, and then I have my breakfast, and then I take the smoothie and I go about my day. During the day, I try to eat one or two snacks in between. I have bread or I have some of this biscuit in my bag. So I try to eat during the day. And then in the afternoon, when I come back home from work, I also try to have some lunch. If I have the energy, sometimes I will also make some smoothies, and sometimes I will not. I will just wait till in the evening. So I take the smoothie twice a day, sometimes three times a day. It all depends on the mood. It all depends on the mood, but mostly I take it twice a day, in the morning after breakfast, and in the evening after dinner before bed. So I use a whole avocado and one banana and a cup of milk. And sometimes in the evening, then when I'm making it, I don't always add avocado. So if I add avocado in the morning, I will not add in the evening, but I make sure I add banana. Sometimes I will just do only banana and milk. And you guys know when banana is blended, it has a lot of fat. It does help with gain weight. So yeah, for some people that ask, does it really work? Give this a try consistently for a week and then let me know if it doesn't work. But what I mean by give it a try for a week, it doesn't mean that you're going to cut on your normal diets, because some people think that, oh, that means I don't really have to eat much that more anymore. I just have to take this and that is going to cover everything for me. No, you still have to eat your normal diet, your normal food. You just have to have lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and in between snacks, and then consistently taking this smoothie twice a day. Trust me, the weight will come. You will get the results. So some people say, oh, well, my results are not like yours, because I get a comment where somebody said, oh, my results are not like yours. Your fat goes on your hips and your butts and your face. Mine, my stomach get bigger. Everybody's shapes is different. We're all built differently. Like I always said, when you gain weight, the fat goes to the right places. The right places means that the right places on your body type where your body store fats. So when I'm making the smoothie and you are seeing my weight gain results, doesn't mean that you're going to get the same results as me, because we don't have the same body type. We have different body type. We have different bone structures. We have different DNA. We come from a different family, different line, different lineage. So that all plays a role. When I gain weight, my weight goes to my face. If you see my face without any makeup, you know exactly, oh, she's getting a little bit chubbier. And my hips and my butt, those where my fat goes a lot. So that's how my body is shaped. That's how my body is built. It doesn't mean that when you take this smoothie, you're going to be looking like me. It's not going to work. No, there are so many exercises that I do online. Some of my favorite YouTubers that I follow, I'm not expecting to look like them because I know I'm not like them. So you see, so that's what I'm trying to say, that we all have a different body type, or different body shape, different bone structure. So you don't expect your goals to be like mine. But one thing I know for sure, if you stay consistent with this and follow up with your normal fooding plan, it's definitely going to help with the weight gain. So in the morning, I add avocado and banana, and then in the evening, I just made banana and milk. I didn't add any other ingredients. It was just banana and milk, and I really loved it. It tastes really delicious. Avocado has a lot of fat. For some of you who don't know, avocado has a lot of fat. So this is me in the evening. I kind of add a little bit of milk So I had a little bit of spilled out, but it was okay. I could easily clean it. So in the evening, because I wasn't going to use avocado, I used two banana. I end up using two banana and a full glass of milk. I shouldn't have add all that milk because the milk was too much. But you know what? It is what it is. So I made two banana and a cup of milk, and this is what I took in the evening after dinner. Even though it's kind of bright outside because we're in the summer, so it still gets very bright during the day. It's not as dark as the winter time, so that's why it's looking bright like this. So I chop two banana and add my cup of milk, and I blend this, and I took this right before dinner. Not like right this and then go to bed. No, maybe like 30 to an hour before dinner, because after taking this I also did have some snacks like some yogurt, some tuche, some biscuit in between, because I was watching a movie. So I was drinking this while having some one or two snacks in between, and then later I just brush my teeth and go to bed. I didn't do any exercise because yeah, I'm trying to gain weight, even though I do exercise, but not like heavy exercise to lose weight. I just try to work on my stomach a little bit, and so that it doesn't get a little bit fatter. As you guys can see, I had too much milk, so I'm having some spill out, but it's okay. So we just blend everything very fastly, wipe everything down, and this is it. This is how I actually take my weight gain smoothie. I take it twice a day, but when I make videos I only show you once. But I always say you can take it as much as you want to, and it does really help you with weight gain if you stay consistent with it. The only thing that you have to make sure you eat. Do not think I'm not going to be eating anything and I'm just going to stick with this weight gain smoothie, and that is going to allow me to gain weight without not having a proper diet. So this is just a booster to your normal diet. So you're definitely going to be eating, and then this is just going to be a top up to help everything. So this is it. This is what I make today. I hope you all like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye. Do.